East Baltimore. Johns Hopkins will look out for their that came from the community.
Don't even worry about what's going on down here. All right, good.
How many people complain about the crime in Baltimore? If you want the crime to go down, what do we want? What do we want? What do we want? What do we want? We do it for our young. It's time for the man to get up off her butt. It's time for the man to say contractors, developers. We have to uphold our honor and hire the people in Baltimore that we promised to hire. They said they were going to hire the people out of East Baltimore when they tore down our homes, put our families out. They said they were going to hire. The contract. It's time for them to realize we're not going to sit back. Hey guys, man, listen up. I need one big check for about 10 minutes, man. This is all about. Our community needs jobs, straight like that.
So how long has Johns Hopkins been promising jobs to people?
How long has Johns Hopkins been Johns Hopkins?
This is a $1.8 billion contract. They built on 88 acres of land. But when they wrote their proposal, they said that it would bring 8,000 jobs. And they had 14 jobs. 100 people have moved out of their homes and very quick. All we want is the work. They took out tax dollars, we want to work. They said, one thing they told us was, when we went to EBI, they told us that we had to talk to the developers. The developers have to hire us. They're out-of-state contracts. There's no way they need to bring their people in and not hire the people that they told out. It's not fair to us.
If they have out-of-state contracts, shouldn't they have an on-site job office?
They do have these. Most of these shacks and things like this are where their on-site job offices are.
Are they ever open?
Yeah, they stay open sometimes. The thing is, they send us to career centers. They look at us and they pass judgment. They think that we're all addicts. They think that we have no education. They think that we're going to steal from them. Give us the chance and opportunity to make our own destiny. Don't say that I'm going to do this because as a race. Do it as me, as a person. I'm a person. I'm an individual. Just like you. I breathe like you, and I will die like you. Thank you.